What's going on? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about taking risks.
Nerf this!
There's always going to be times in your life where you're going to have to make the leap. You're going to have to take a jump and have some faith in yourself and in what you're doing to really get outside of your comfort zone and to get yourself to the next level. Get that raise, or ask that girl out, or ask that guy out, whatever it is for you. There's going to be a time where you're going to have to take a risk. So it's something that everyone needs to do. And I'll explain why that's so important in a little bit. But right now, I got to get ready. I got to go to a meeting. I'm going to the city. So let's get going. So we're out here in the city right now, and I just want to touch on why risks or risk taking is important in the first place. And that's really because if you never try, then you never know. Try not to get killed right now. So it's imperative that you at least try something. And what a lot of people do is to get caught up in the mindset of thinking, what if this doesn't work? What if this happens? What if this goes wrong? When instead, they should be thinking, what if this happens? What if this goes right? What if I actually do this? That's how winners think, and that's how you need to think. So whenever you're thinking about taking a risk, don't always think of the cons. Yes, is it rational to think about the cons and the bad side of things? Yes, but you need to eliminate that and take the risk. Now, that being said, that doesn't mean, hey, I'm gonna jump off this bridge and take a risk, maybe I'll live. Like, be smart about it. You're not gonna just jump off a bridge just because you wanna take a risk. I'm talking about when you're taking a risk as in going for that new job, switching jobs, or asking that girl out, whatever it is for you. All right, so I'm about to walk into this meeting, catch up with you after. Alright guys, so the meeting went extremely well. Second one I've had. If you've been watching my videos, you know in one of the previous videos I went on another meeting in the city and it went very well as well. When the timing's appropriate, I will share with you what they're all about, but right now it's not a sure thing yet, so I'm not going to reveal anything. But let's get deep down into why you need to be taking those risks. And the most important reason is because if you do not take the said risk that's presented to you, what you're doing is you're doing damage to your subconscious mind, telling yourself that you don't want what's presented to you, even though it's going to bring you closer to that goal. And two, you're also telling it to God, the universe, whatever you believe in. So you got to be very careful what you say yes and no to. More so in this case, what you say no to, because a lot of times opportunity looks like hard work. It's dressed with the shovel and overalls, as they like to say. All right, so let's just say that you're trying to make it to the NBA. You've worked your entire life, you've played in college, and you didn't get drafted. Then a G League team or a minor league team, for those of you who don't know about the NBA, approaches you and offers you a contract. Or let's just say an NBA team approaches you with a 10-day contract. Now, a lot of times, you might scoff at that and say, no, I worked my entire life. I want an actual contract to play in the NBA. Well, guess what? Guess what that is? It's an actual contract to play in the NBA, and it gives you 10 days to showcase yourself and make the full-time roster or a year-long contract. So a lot of times we see these opportunities or we see these challenges as obstacles or as roadblocks or as something that's not good enough for us, even though opening that door could lead to 5 more doors that may be opened. So my point here is this, guys. Even though the opportunity may not look like the one for you, or it may not look like something that's worth taking that risk for, you need to jump in and do it, because like I was saying before, instead of asking yourself, what if this happens, what if that happens, what if it doesn't work out, what if it does? What if you take that 10-day contract and you turn it into a Hall of Fame career? All right, so you gotta be more self-aware on when those opportunities present themselves to you and when you need to make that leap of faith and take that risk. It's a beautiful day out here in the city. I think I might hang out a little more, maybe get some food, and then I'm gonna check in with you at the casa. All right, guys, we're back at the house. As you can see, got the pre-workout going. Gonna go get some gains in the gym. Thank you so much for watching. If you did make it all the way to the end of the video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button. You turn on post notifications because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random. So again, make sure you get that bell clicked on so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Again, go out there, take those risks. Make your intentions known to the universe, all right, to God, to whatever you believe in. Ask for that promotion. Ask that girl out. Get that raise. Buy that house. Take that leap of faith. When the opportunity is presented to you, take advantage of it, all right? Thanks so much, guys. Signing off.